expensive option always the better. Today I have different air deflector with different prices. Hey guys, my name is Steven and welcome to World Truck Part. So today I want to show you how to compare air deflectors brand from different Chinese factories to see if the high price really means a better quality. With our extensive knowledge on trucks and our connection with different manufacturers, we can help you to find the best products with the quality you expect. Let's do like a brief definition about air deflectors brand. So maybe there's some people that don't know what is about this product. So the air deflectors brand are aerodynamic devices designed to streamline airflow of a truck, reducing drag and doing some improving in the fuel economy. Okay guys, maybe there are some people that don't know the air deflector brand, where is it in the truck? So over here I can put you like a picture and then you can see the air deflector brand is behind the truck. They also protect the whistle from debris and they can enhance the look of your truck. Now we're gonna start to do the introduction of our products today. So over here we have three samples. So over here we have the sample B, sample A, and the sample OEM. So the sample A right now is almost like $20. The sample B is like $15. So why they have the different prices if they look like the same? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. It's not almost the same. So over here we have the sample A and the sample OEM. As can you see that they're almost the same. So right now let's take the sample A to the sample B and let's see what happened. So what about this one? I think you can see the difference, right? So this is the sample A and the sample B, the difference they have between them. And that's why the quality and the prices, they are not the same. So another difference we have is the material. What material? This one is iron. This one is aluminum. So you don't believe me? Okay, I have this one. We have this one. This is iron. This is the material for the sample B. Okay, so right now they pour it up. Okay, so right now let's go to the sample A. Let's go to see what is gonna happen. You saw it? This is the aluminum. It's not the same thing. So the OEM is also aluminum. So let's test it. So over here we have. Yeah, it's almost the same like the sample A. Yeah, right? So that's why the sample A is almost closer to OEM, but the sample B is almost like, yeah, we can say it's cheaper. Yeah, we know right now why it's cheaper, but it's also good. There are so many people that are buying this one. Yeah, so over here is metal, over here is aluminum, both of them are aluminum. So over here we have the material difference. So right now let's go to the sides. To make the flow, it's gonna be fixed like very, very stable. So over here you can see also we have the difference between them. This one they are short one. Over here they are long. Almost the same thing over here. But you can see the different color between sample A and sample OEM are also not the same, but it's almost the same quality. They're all longer, but the material obviously is not really the same. It's we can say like a 199, almost the same. Yeah. So this is the difference between them. Okay guys, so right now let's make a conclusion. Okay. So first is the material, iron, aluminum. So iron of course is good, but it get rusted. So that's why so many people right now they are buying the OEM and the sample A. So the other difference is the hood. You can see both of them. They have different hood. This one is more bigger. That's why when they fix it, it's not gonna be stable. But these two, they are very smaller. That's why when we have fixed them, they're gonna be stable. And the other ones is the scroll. These ones that are very short. They are very short. Over here, they are longer. Yeah. So, too many customers they're buying the simple B. Yeah, because it depends on the need of their customer. So over here we also have the simple A. There are so many customers they also want it. We have the OEM. Of course, there are so many customers that they buy it. So, which one is better for you? That it depends on your needs and your pocket. Which one do you want to buy, or which one can you buy? So over here, our job is just to try to help you and find the best product with the quality you expect.
Oh my god! Wow!
If you guys have any idea of side marker lamp of a truck, please don't forget to comment, and let's go to see in the next video what we're gonna talk about. So in your real life, guys, like the expensive option is the expensive option is always the better quality. Do you think it's true? Maybe sometimes you buy something very expensive and then the quality is, you can say, shit. So if you got the experience, just let me know about that. I will look for the comments and see you next time, guys.